Hey campers, it's Fun Friday. I pulled out a fun tune for you this week, Old Town Road. This song actually uses all the notes that we know. There's nothing here that you don't know. There might be some rests that look a little different than what you're used to seeing. So it starts with 2/4 rest. This is an 8th rest. It gets a half a beat of silence. So we're gonna go 1, 2, rest, bop, bop, bop. So we come in on the and of count 3. All right, so we've got another 8th rest here and another 8th rest here. We've got 2 more in this measure. So anytime you see an 8th rest, you need to think a half beat of silence. Most likely you know this tune so well that you're not actually going to have to count the rhythms. But I'm going to play it for you real quick so you can get the hang of how it goes, and then I'm going to have you play it with me. All the parts are the same, all the instruments, so today I'm playing it on my P trumpet. So I'll say 1, 2, 3, and then we'll come in. How about first time just listen, second time we'll do it together. 1, 2, 3. Did you recognize it? Okay, now it's your turn. We're going to go a little bit slower. And this is one of those tunes that repeats itself over and over again, so I have the feeling you'll be able to memorize it. And then I want you to go play it for somebody in your family and see if they recognize it. Okay, let's take it a little bit slower from the top. 1, 2, 3. How'd you do? Okay, we'll do it one more time, just a tad bit faster, and then after that you're going to work on it on your own today. 1, 2, 3. All right, campers, happy Friday. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next week.